Experiencing monitor detection problems with your Wavlink docking station? Let's fix it. The main issue is often USB-C port limitations on laptops, faulty cables, or driver mismatches. First, ensure your HDMI or DisplayPort cables are certified for 4K if needed. Bad cables cause 70% of issues. Next, confirm your laptop's USB-C port supports DisplayPort Alt mode. Then, update your Wavlink firmware via their app. Now, let's update the drivers from Wavelink's website or device manager and uninstall old ones to avoid conflicts. In Windows, ensure you're using Extend Display mode. On Mac OS, check System Preferences. Switch between HDMI and DisplayPort, as some docks default to one protocol. Ensure the dock is independently powered. Auto detection features released in mid-2025 have improved success rates to 85% for standard setups. If basic troubleshooting fails, try these advanced fixes. Roll back graphics drivers to older versions, especially if issues arose after a Windows update. Version 31.01.4575 resolved issues for some Dell XPS 13 users. For gaming setups with high refresh rates, like 144 Hz, try switching to HDMI and using a custom E2D emulator. For corporate environments, confirm the latest firmware is deployed, which reduced downtime by 50% in some cases. Look to the future. Wavelink's 2025 models integrate USB 4 and Thunderbolt 4 for higher bandwidth, reducing detection problems. AI-driven diagnostics in Wavelink's support app can also automate fixes. Expect PCIe tunneling over USB-C by 2026 to further eliminate driver needs. Remember to check Wavelink's support site for specific model troubleshooting and consider DisplayLink alternatives for professional use if persistent issues occur.